Welcome to TTT Jewelry. We are a custom stainless steel jewelry manufacturer founded in 2010 that strives to make each stainless steel jewelry piece irresistible and affordable. Working with a wide range of excellent materials, our talented designers bring your vision to life. With new designs added every month, there are more than 5,000 items to choose from, including stainless steel necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings. The manufacturing process is close to our hearts, and we take pride in every piece we create. Come with us and see what our production flow looks like. Our craftsmen first create a rubber mold of the original pieces. From the rubber mold, we hand carve a wax model, then attach them to a wax tree, which allows us to cast multiple pieces at once. We create a hard shell by applying 4 coats of a refractory slurry, then let it air dry to build a shell mold of the desired thickness. The wax in the shell mold is heated by steam to make the wax flow out. Then place it into a burnout to remove residual wax and to sinter the mold. The melted metal is poured into preheated shells to cool down. After it solidifies and cools, casting can be obtained by shaking out the shell. Your jewelry forms are then cut from the tree. Any excess stainless steel is reused at our factory. Your castings are forced at high pressure to strike the surfaces to release the casting. We carefully grind off the sharp edges and polish the surface, keeping your jewelry smooth and clean. We then imprint a personal message or your company logo for brand awareness. Your stainless steel pieces are then plated with real gold to create ones that last like solid gold. We hand set your stones with quality, care, and traditional craftsmanship. Finally, your jewelry pieces go through a rigorous quality control process, after which they are wrapped in certified packaging.